What's good, fam? This is my 2018 Honda Civic Sport 6-speed manual transmission hatchback. I've had this car since October 2017 and done several modifications to it. I really love this car. And at the end of 2019, I purchased this carbon fiber hood from my buddy. Didn't think twice, just slapped it right on, and he did a ceramic coat it, and I forgot to put the heat shield that goes inside underneath the hood. So with time, the heat, me driving around with the hot engine and the sun, it damaged it. As you can see, it got faded and started turning gray. And this is probably the best part of the carbon fiber, has less damage. Guys, foam. So as you guys can see, there is no heat shield. So the heat's just going through. Fucking on my shit, man. Well, there you have it, guys. Took the hood off by myself. That's what it looks like. Looks like shit. Take that in right now. See what happens. This is my stock hood. Looks pretty good, but sheesh, that's a story to tell later on. Yo, so I slapped my stock hood back on. What up? What's Gucci? And I'm gonna take my old carbon fiber to easy auto collision. See what's up. Sick ass full. I'm right here at easy auto collision picking up my hood. Sheesh, can't wait. What's up, bro?